Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordy, and if you're new here, today's video is going to be a haul video. So I picked up a lot of stuff in the last month because, you know, makeup has been dropping left and right. And I wanted to do some video for you guys, so I picked up these items. So if you're interested in seeing what I grabbed, keep on watching. It's not too much. So I'm gonna say that it's not too much. So yeah. And it's for content purposes. So let's start off with hair care items. I grabbed this from the brand Emerge. I found this at Target. It was $6.99. This is their curl definition and softness cream, buttercream. Oh, it's called My Everything Buttercream. It's for curly and coily textures. It was $6.99. I do have it in my hair right now. I'm gonna take out these little braids in a bit. When I'm getting ready to leave, just so I can see what the curl definition does. And then I also have the shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo, conditioner. I don't know how I feel about these yet. I did use it in my hair yesterday, and I don't know if they're really that hydrating. Like, I'm still loving my Garnier Curl Nourish and my Moisture Lock from Garnier. Like, if we're talking about like a affordable drugstore shampoo and conditioner. And I don't know how I feel about those yet. So I'm gonna keep using them and I'll let you guys know. But for now, I don't know. I also picked up this Style Goals gel from the same brand. And this was pretty lightweight. It wasn't sticky for a gel, but it definitely gave my hair some definition before I put it in my little braid. So we'll see how it looks once I take it out. So to continue on with drugstore, I went to Ulta and I grabbed a few items. So the first item that I grabbed was the Milani Screen Queen Foundation. That's a hard name. And I have it in the shade Spice Toffee. This video should be up. I'll link it in the eye if you guys are interested in my wear test. But I grabbed that. I've been looking for it and I wanted to try it. So I actually have it on today. It's really nice. And then I also grabbed this Milani Cheek Kiss blush that I tried in the same video with the Screen Queen Foundation. It's a liquid blush. I'm a little iffy about that. Next, I picked up the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. This thing is huge. I have it in the shade C13. It was in the store, which I was happy about. So I want to try that out. And then I also picked up this Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder Foundation in the shade, where's the shade? P12. It's not the right shade at all. We're probably gonna use that for our under eye area. They didn't have a lot of shades in the store, and then it jumped from 12 to 16. And I was like, I'll just use it for my under eye area because I knew that I used the concealer in like 12 and 13. But when I opened that, I don't even know how it's gonna look on my under eye, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Then finally from Ulta, I have the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation in the shade 125 Coconut. I picked this up a while back too, and I wanna do a wear test on this one. So this will be coming soon. I'm interested in that. A lot of radiant glowy foundations are coming out lately, and I wanna try all of them. I wanna see what they're all about. So yeah, that's it from Ulta. So I replenished my Alamar Cosmetics Coquetta gloss. I picked up 2. So they come in a packaging and look like that. I have it on today. If you don't know what Coquetta looks like, then this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. This is the packaging. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this actually right here in my everyday stash because I use it all the time. So yeah. And then let's talk about things that we picked up from Sephora. So you guys, I ordered the Jouer Sunswept bronzer in the shade Deep to Dark. And this is what it looks like. So that's the palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it looks good. So hopefully it works out well for us. Next, I ordered the Fenty Beauty What It Do makeup refreshing spray, and this was not in the store. I was like, what the fuck? But it's an online exclusive, but that is what the spray looks like. It is a cute bottle, very lightweight, but reminiscent of the foundation and the primer bottle, longer. And then the color of the spray is just like this lavender pinky color. It's cute. It's like very, it's a cute aesthetic. There we go. Ooh, I can't even open this. All right, I want to see what the mist looks like. Oh, it has a nice mist. Oh, it has fragrance in it. don't really like fragranted things. Oh, ooh, yeah, that smells like a perfume. And it has alcohol in it. Why didn't I read this when I was checking out? I was just buying stuff, you see? Anyway, we'll try it. That's a strong fragrance. We'll try it and we'll see how it works. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. I also picked up from Fenty the Gloss Bomb in Glass Slipper. This is just a clear gloss bomb. I love gloss, so I picked up the clear to go over all my nudes. This just looks really cute. It looks pretty and I like this formula, so I picked up a clear gloss for $19. And then I finally got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder that I've been looking at forever. I don't know why I never picked this up. I'm just like, it's $45 for a powder. Like, you don't really use powder. Why are you using that? Why are you gonna buy that? But I bought it and that's the packaging. It's so beautiful. This is in the shade number 3 Dark. It's very lightweight and everybody says it's just very nice and smooth, and that's the powder. So I want to try it, and I think it would probably be a good under eye powder, especially for me who doesn't like powder. And it does look smooth. Like when I put it on clients, it looks very smooth. So I want to try it, and if I like it, I'll probably buy it for my kit as well. So we're almost narrowing down, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I picked up a few of them. I have used them. A video is coming up, but that is what they look like. Really nice. And then I also have like this mini palette too. So we got some Makeup Geek eyeshadow palettes. And then this is stuff that I got in gratis. If you guys don't know, I work for a retailer. So these are free things. Well, it is free, but free things that we get to try out so that we can recommend it to clients. So this is the Pharmacy Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. I'm interested in trying this out. It does have coconut oil in it though, so we'll see about that. And then next I have the Smashbox, the Mindful 5 Nourishing Face Primer Serum. Oh my god, I love this thing. It feels so good. It's hydrated. I love the smell. It's very medicinal. I'm not gonna lie, very medicinal. But I like medicinal smells. It just smells clean and fresh and natural. And I like the smell. And then next I have the, see, not for resale, Drunk Elephant. What is this thing called? F-Balm? I think it's F-Balm. They got a sticker all over it. The F-Balm mask, like the sleeping mask. It's supposed to be hydrated, and you know I got dry skin, so we're gonna try that out soon. And then after that, I have the Tatcha Serum Stick. And then this is supposed to be hydrated as well. It has squalene. It looks like that. It's supposed to be good for retouching, just helps with fine lines and wrinkles, all that good stuff. And last but not least, we have the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. It smells like banana. It's cute though. I want to try it because it's supposed to be calming and hydrated. But I did tell myself that I'm not allowed to open any skincare until I finish what I have on my bathroom counter. It's been really hard for me. I've been really struggling. I'm playing, but still, I've been going through my products, so it's fine. But like, you know, the makeup junkie, product junkie that I am, I want to try all this stuff. But we're going through our products. We're making sure that we're using everything. If something does break me out, then I can switch it out, of course. But if I'm using a product, I have to go through it. That's what I told myself before I open something new. So I'm not going to open those until I finish something, unfortunately. So I'll get back to you guys when I open them. Alright, so that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know which products you want to see me try first. Leave it down in the comments down below. Give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out. Everything will be linked in the description box if you're interested in trying any of those items. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!